Then Old MacDonald flew away. EIEIO.
Pretty river.
They landed by a tower so tall. EIEIO. The prettiest sight above them all. EIEIO. With a look here and a look there. Here a look, there a look, everywhere a look. Old MacDonald saw the tower. EIEIO. They walked along the river blue. EIEIO. Ate fresh bread, a tasty view. EIEIO. With a nudge munch here and a nudge munch there. Here a nudge, there a nudge, everywhere a munch. Old MacDonald munched away. EIEIO. They rowed a boat through canals bright. EIEIO. Colorful houses, what a sight. EIEIO. With a float here and a float there. Here a float, there a float, everywhere a float. Old MacDonald floated by. EIEIO. They saw a building old and grand. EIEIO. The sheep looked up in wonderland. EIEIO. With a gasp here and a gasp there. Here a gasp, there a gasp, everywhere a gasp. Old MacDonald sheep was amazed. EIEIO. They rode a big red bus with glee. EIEIO. Past a clock tower for all to see. EIEIO. With a ride here and a ride there. Here a ride, there a ride, everywhere a ride. Old MacDonald rode along. EIEIO. They fed the pigeons in the square. EIEIO. Walk through flowers everywhere. EIEIO. With a feed here and a feed there. Here a feed, there a feed, everywhere a feed. Old MacDonald had such fun. EIEIO. They watched the sunset big and bright. EIEIO. Flew back home into the night. EIEIO. With a yay here and a yay there. Here a yay, there a yay, everywhere a yay. What a wonderful trip today. EIEIO.
He's sniffing. Look at the colors. Wow, it's so pretty. Beautiful over the rooftops. Look at how beautiful it is. Wow, it's so pretty.